small. Watch the clock.
Hey guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today it is time for another grocery haul and meal plan. I did not get as much this week because I just did a Costco haul. So if you look at last week's videos, you can watch that. But let me show you what I got, and then I will show you the meal plan for the week. Okay, so like I said, I went to Aldi and I went to Walmart, and everything is just kind of mixed up. So let me show you the produce first. So I got some mandarin oranges. These were from Walmart. I think they're a little bit out of season right now, but these looked okay, so I got a bag of those. I got a bag of mixed cherry tomatoes. These are from Aldi. They're really good. I also got 2 slicing tomatoes for salads and sandwiches. And then I also got a bag of limes from Walmart. I get those every week for drinks. I like to put them in my water along with some mint. I got some colored peppers from Aldi for snacks and lunches and salads. And then I also picked up a pack of strawberries. I have a recipe for strawberry spinach salad that I want to try this week, hopefully. They had blueberries on sale at Aldi for $1.99, which I thought was a really good price for this size. And then I also got some grapes that I need to wash those up for the week ahead. I also got some of one of the Asian chopped salad kits from Aldi. I haven't had this brand from Aldi before, but it looks like it comes with like cabbage, lettuce, carrots, almonds, dressing, and wonton strips. And I also bought some Asian veggie burgers that hopefully I can have with this. I got an English cucumber. I got this asparagus at Walmart. It actually looks really good, and we're planning on having that for dinner one night this week. Actually, both kids and actually all of us like asparagus. I usually just roast it in the oven with some olive oil and garlic. It's really good. From Aldi, I also got some Gouda cheese. I've been liking to make omelets lately, and this is really good, shredded up in an omelet with some ham. From Aldi, I also got some of this mozzarella snacking cheese. I have not seen this at Aldi before. These are the little mini ones, and so I got those. I thought they were cute. And then I also got some ham from Aldi. Usually we use this for breakfast. We like to make, like I said, omelets or breakfast sandwiches, or the kids can also use it for their lunches. For dairy, I got a half gallon of 2%. We don't really drink a whole lot of milk, and so I usually just buy the half gallons. We normally just use it for cooking and in our cereal. I did get a carton of vanilla almond milk. We took a cooking class a few weeks ago, and the kids really liked this smoothie that they made there, and it was made with almond milk. So I got some of this. This is also good over granola. I got some cottage cheese. I've heard people rave about the Aldi cottage cheese, but I've never tried it, so here we go. I'm going to give it a go. From Walmart, I got some assorted yogurts. I got some of these Yoplait Oui yogurts. This is the French style yogurt. I got a raspberry and a mango. I got some pumpkin nougat, which is really good. Kira has been liking lemon yogurt, so I got her 2 of these Oikos lemon meringue. And then I also got one of the Chobani pineapple coconut blended yogurts. I got some sour cream from Aldi. I also got some chocolate chip cookies from Aldi just for the kids to have a couple after dinner or put one in their lunches. I got some half and half for my coffee. And then I got some of these chocolate chip mini muffins. I try not to buy these a whole lot because the kids will just eat like one bag after the other. But sometimes I like to give them these for breakfast along with some fruit or some yogurt. It's just a quick breakfast option. From Aldi, I got some couscous. This is the plain kind. I've made prior, I don't remember if it was in the last couple years, I made like a curried couscous salad, and I want to try to do that again. So I got some of just the plain couscous. I got some dark kidney beans from Aldi. I thought these would be good to throw in salads. I was out of cumin, so I picked some of that up from Aldi. And then from Walmart, I got some poppy seeds for that strawberry spinach salad, as well as just some parsley flakes because I was almost out of those. I got some bacon bits for a salad that we're going to have this week for dinner. And then I picked some of these cheese sticks and dip up from Aldi. These are just good to have on hand, like for snacks. Like on the weekends, sometimes the kids will have friends over to play, and this is like a nice cheap snack that they can share with them. I picked up these Asian veggie burgers from Aldi, and I've never had this brand before, but Trader Joe's has something similar to this, and they're really good. So this says it's a vegan patty made with brown rice, water chestnuts, carrots, peas, red peppers, broccoli, and soy sauce. So I thought these would go well with this chopped salad kit. I also picked up a butter chicken dinner from Aldi. I've had these from Trader Joe's before and they're really good, so I decided to try the Aldi brand as well. I got some dark chocolate Atkins shakes from Walmart. I don't always buy these, but sometimes I like to have them on hand for a quick breakfast. They are high protein and low carb, and they actually do taste pretty good. I just make sure that they're cold when I want to drink one. And then I picked up some pineapple juice from Walmart. Last weekend, my sister and I went to brunch at Granite City, and they had pineapple juice mimosas, and they were super delicious, so I had to get some of that to keep on hand for that. I picked up some of this white cranberry strawberry juice. This is the Walmart brand. The kids like this pretty well, and sometimes they'll have a small glass of juice with breakfast. We were out of Bloody Mary mix. Adam likes to make Bloody Marys on the weekends, and so I picked up some of this Zing Zang. This is our favorite mix from Walmart. From Walmart, I also got some little cups of rainbow sherbet. These are kind of pricey. They're like $5.88, I think, for a 12 pack. But the kids really like them, and they're nice to have for a summer treat. I also got some ice cream sandwiches and sundae cones from Aldi. Just the vanilla sundae cones and the strawberry crunch bars. Like I said, if the kids have friends over, these are like a nice cheap snack for them to have outside while it's hot. I also got some Pike Place roast ground coffee from Walmart. This is my favorite brand. And then some individual bags of Doritos for walking tacos for dinner this week. And then the only non-food item I really got was this Pioneer Woman skillet. This is a 10-inch skillet. My last skillet that I had that was non-stick, I ended up having to throw away when we moved because it was flaking. So I needed something that I could make like eggs or omelets with that was easier to wash. So I picked that up. It was only about $10. So that is all the groceries I got this week. Let me show you the meal plan. So first, I actually wanted to just show you the new meal planner that I got from Carrie L. I always have a link to her shop in the description box below. And this time I decided to go with the mini size meal planner, so you can see kind of the difference in size here. I only have about 4 weeks left in my big one, and so I wanted to get this while I could. I decided to go with the mini size because I thought that this would be easier to carry around on the go. Sometimes I like to, like take this to work with me and plan on my lunch break, or take it to, Starbucks or something like that and work on my meal plan. So I thought this would be a little bit more portable. It still has the same sections that the current one does, but this is what the meal plans look like with the days of the week here, and then the tear off grocery list. And then it also has the pocket in the back you can put, recipes or coupons in. So I just wanted to show you that. Okay, so this week on Sunday, today is Sunday actually, and we are going to brunch here in a little bit, and so I decided to just do something a little bit lighter for dinner. I'm going to make a garden salad, and I have some chicken I can cut up on that. I'm also going to make some fruit and some cheese bread on some flat out wraps that I got from Costco. Monday is Connor's first night of t-ball, and I'm not sure how everything's going to work out because I also have a hair appointment. So I'm just going to do sandwiches and chips and then maybe some vegetables with dip. That'll be something easy that we can take with us to the ballpark if we need to. On Tuesday, I have some meat in the freezer that I want to get used up. So I have some chicken and a few pork chops and a few salmon fillets in there. So I'm just going to throw those on the grill. And then I also have some pasta and ravioli frozen in the freezer that I want to use up, and then I'll also make a salad. On Wednesday, we're going to have walking tacos. I wrote down watermelon, but I could not find any in the grocery store. They didn't actually have any whole watermelons at Aldi or Walmart, and so we'll have a different kind of fruit instead. On Thursday, I'm going to make some sauteed scallops, or maybe some grilled scallops, I'm not sure yet, with some asparagus and couscous. The kids, they'll probably try the scallops. I don't know if they'll like them. I don't think they've ever had them before. But I do have some chicken sandwiches in the freezer that I got from Costco a few months back that they can have one of those sandwiches if they don't like the scallops. Friday night we always have pizza, and then Saturday I usually don't plan that far ahead because I'm not sure what we're going to be doing. So that's it for this week. Again, I went to Aldi and Walmart. If you have any questions about these meal planners, let me know in the comments down below. Otherwise, the link is always down there if you want to check out her shop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes.